Croatian AB 3,000 euros net plus social security to embark 1415. Croatian seafarers under flag of convenience, correct me if wrong, have to pay around the maximum pension private plan of about 350 euros plus sanitary assistance 50. So that's a total of 500 euros. If you are an AB and you are certified 2425, you have experience on board passenger or ro-ro ships. We are needing for about 22 ro-ros and the 55 ro-packs, total 77. Let's say 10 ABs per ship, that's 770. At home, 40%, let's say 1,300 ABs from Croatia to apply, like and subscribe, pass through all the groups. Why? Because Croatia is the closest the country to Italy, and we are looking for expansion. Italian flag is the biggest ship owner in Europe. There is 14 reasons why: financial security, stability, promotion to plumber or to fitter or to bosun or to all types of ranks, because a huge fleet stability, biggest ships in the market today, biggest fleet, and then financial security, long-term jobs. Also, apart from this 500 euros gap between the sanitary assistance and the pensions, because this is 3,000 euros net plus social security, then you also have a little advantage called unemployment. You see, in Italy, if you work 2 years approx, you can find out yourself better. But if you work 2 years, you get 2 years unemployment. So this is something that seafarers, ABs, do not get today if you are on board a cruise ship, fishing ship with experience in passenger ship, any other type of ships. But in this company, we need to have ro-ro and ro-packs experience. So please apply urgently, like and subscribe, pass throughout the groups. It's a huge gap if you get 3,000 euros and then you don't have to pay this 500 because you have the maximum social security from the Italian flag. A collective bargaining agreement is not necessary to speak English, it's just Italian. You need to fill the company format, the crew inspector format, the codice fiscale. We need to have these numbers, so you are employed under this collective bargaining agreement, Italian labor conditions in Italian language, and also you need to really get this applied urgently. Thank you very much indeed. Like and subscribe. Bye.